It's already like done, so all it needs is a paint job, detail the interior.
You hope.
I'm pretty sure. She sounded real confident.
He needs it.
Ooh, so yeah.
That is so
That's been my hype. I just like I literally can't sleep over this shit. Like, James, let's go right now.
Yo, before we get to picking up this Trans Am, make sure you go enter our giveaway for $3,333. It costs you nothing to enter. No consequences other than like 3 minutes of your time, and that's max. Like, that's if you need a lot of help with like clicking buttons. But go enter. Here's a secret code for you too. Secret code 1. No spaces. 1 is the number not spelled out. Secret code 1. Got a lot of sick stuff. Huge bulletproof lowered ram. Got the Striker finished up, which is videos coming out soon. Dallas Drop Truck's always stopping by. Got the single cab dually, I should say. Chrome deletes. We got a lot of stuff out right now. Oh, TRX too. How could I forget? So stay tuned, enjoy the video, enter that giveaway. Literally, there's no reason not to. What's up? All right,
Here we are again.
project purchase number 3. You guys have seen a little bit of the in the shop discussion about this thing. We are in what town?
Marshall, Texas, Harrison County.
Yeah, Marshall, Texas, out east towards Louisiana. We are about to go finally set eyes on this thing, pop the hood, and see if
Was it a dud?
that motor that Omar wouldn't let me keep a surprise for the sake of the video is under the hood, which is okay because there is a chance.
Big chance.
No, there's a chance that there's no motor in this thing.
No, not that. No.
It's unlikely.
No, she confirmed there's an engine.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Okay. Never mind. But
No, we're good. I just hope it's the same engine that I think that I saw on a past sale on the same vehicle online. If it is, we're in luck. If it's not, we're fucked.
possibly. What if it's got a bigger motor?
Shit.
So we really don't know a whole lot. We know what it used to look like, what it used to have in it, and really not even a ton of details regarding that. Just like a couple pictures from the internet. But
I bought this looking at 2 photos on this car.
well, you started bidding,
Yeah.
and then you looked up the VIN, right?
And I found old from 2016.
Yeah.
Which apparently the car used to be in New York, so I don't know how the undercarriage is gonna be.
Oh, really? But anyways, we'll see you at the junkyard, I guess, the auction lot, whatever it is.
Storage lot. This is the most random county lot I've ever seen, bro.
So we got, oh, here we are, tucked away back here.
Please don't be a bad deal. Please don't be a bad deal. Please don't be a bad deal. Please don't be fucked up.
There she is.
Holy shit.
You ready?
Bro.
Wait, hold on, before you open that,
Oh, shit, look at the interior.
what were you more, oh, it's got a Hurst shifter?
I tell you.
It needs to, I'm locked over here.
It has all the gauges, all the switches. Yes.
All right, hold on, before you open this, what had you more anxious, a gender reveal or this moment?
Oh, this moment for sure.
All right, Is it open? Can you tell? Ah, no way. What a letdown. Oh yeah, we're solid. She's in there. Dang, I want to know if it runs.
Apparently.
We should have brought a jump box. We're freaking idiots.
I tried.
We were trying to mess with it a little bit.
You need my ID, huh?
Yes.
There we go. You ready? It's binding. You ready?
That's good enough. Anything now?
That's a different motor.
It is, isn't it?
Yeah. Still looks legit though.
Yeah.
It's got a battery and stuff. You won't see if it'll turn, like stuff will turn on. Still got the Willwood system though. And turn it on. I heard power. Yeah, there's a motorcycle seat in there if you need a motorcycle to go with your new motorcycle seats. Oh snap. Oh, I thought that was like a build vlog.
Sound detonating, man. That's good. Some dynamite. Some extra parts for it.
You got some sick bag. You see the rust up here, like on the inside?
It has it. I mean, it's there. It needs to be treated. If it can be, I don't know.
A couple different layers of paint on there.
I wish it was a T-top, but I'll take it. Is it neutral?
Yeah. Dang, that wing is not on there.
Shit.
Yeah, it's not, steering wheel's not straight. Rolling towards this car. Brakes work? Brakes work? Yeah. All right. Car is.
You want to steer? Let me push.
Oh, I'll be good.
Bro, I got good legs, bro. And you're skinnier.
I don't want to be responsible for missteering. I'd rather you have to roll backwards than me not being able to turn.
Anyways, we need to go get that.
I'll be good once we get some momentum. I mean, worst case scenario, we go up that, like, help me get started, hop in, and then.
Yeah. Okay, we're gonna do this on camera.
Yeah, it's gonna be rolling, but I'm not gonna try to film it.
Yeah.
It's gonna catch whatever ridiculousness just happens right now. All right. Yeah, she ain't going nowhere. All right. You ready?
Yeah, I think so.
I've got the power of have to pee really bad, so this is gonna go good.
Oh shit. Hold on, bro. No? Yeah? Maybe. Well, if it does, I just f that up.
Alright. Just help me get started.
Just keep going. No, not yet. Come here, come here. Hit on the brake. Come get on the brake. Let me push.
Well, here. Well, we're not gonna get this way.
Throw this behind.
So, sorry for the differing audio quality. Mike had to come off to go on the dash of the Trans Am while we were getting our workout in. We pushed it from right there to there at the front gate, but what you can't really see is right, you can see a little bit, right in front of the right side fender, dead middle of the screen. There's like a 4-inch lip of asphalt, and uphill, all 150 pounds of me, Omar in the front seat. Not happening. So the sheriff that's here, probably for legal purposes, definitely a get business done type of guy, and not in the most polite way, notified us that you will not get your vehicle today. And we said, we are getting the vehicle today. So this Action Towing real quick, gonna help us get it out of the gate. So Lawrence Towing, who we use all the time and highly recommend in the DFW area, can put this thing on the flatbed. I like this method a lot. Is he just gonna pull it out, or is he gonna load it up?
No, just on the back thing, just to move it up.
Oh, okay, cool.
I could do this for the rest of my life. drive across little Texas towns buying cars. It'd be pretty good to start some of these, right?
What do you mean it would, like, is that a real question?
I know, you're just waiting to say it. I've been buying these and we haven't
No,
started.
hey, hold on. I haven't said a word.
You haven't said it, but you've been thinking it.
Well, yeah. Everybody at the shop thinks it every day that they park next to them.
Hey, well maybe they should finish what they got so they can help start these.
No, but for real.
I'm gonna put it back in the car. Oh, I don't think it would roll.
I kind of like. No. I kind of like the fade green paint job.
Right?
Not really. The all matte, definitely the sauce, but.
So what do you think? We need to repaint this, huh? I don't know, bro. Might not. That thing just screams muscle car, bro.
Look at it.
Can I roll it all the way inside that motherfucker? You like it, Miguel? Yeah. Should we roll it all the way down?
I'd probably see what they're doing first.
Bro, I have to touch this thing. There's no way.
I mean, you can still do it outside. I just don't want you, don't clog them up, you know? I can see a smile all the way from over there.
You like it? This one maybe is the best one we got.